Is gardening your passion, but your budget is keeping your green thumbs tied? You're at the right place. In this video, we're focusing on budget gardening, 10 surprising tips for gardening on a tight budget. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve without breaking the bank. One, seed sharing. A little-known secret among gardening enthusiasts is seed sharing. Join local gardening clubs or online communities where you can trade seeds with fellow gardeners. Not only does this save money, it also invites a delightful variety into your green space. 2. Composting. Composting is the gardener's goldmine. Turn kitchen scraps, yard waste, and even paper into nutrient-rich compost. This organic fertilizer improves soil health, boosts plant growth, and reduces the need for expensive store-bought fertilizers. 3. Reuse and recycle. Transform everyday household items into plant containers. An old teapot can house a charming succulent, wooden crates can be turned into raised beds, and even a worn-out pair of boots can be a quirky home for petunias. These recycled planters add a unique personality to your garden, all while keeping costs low. 4. Rainwater harvesting. Utilize Mother Nature's own watering system, rain. Collecting and storing rainwater cuts down on your water bill and is a natural, chemical-free watering solution for your plants. It's a simple, effective step towards a more sustainable and budget-friendly garden. 5. Plant perennials. Perennials are the gifts that keep on giving. Unlike annuals that need replanting every year, perennials return year after year, saving you time and money. From vibrant echinacea to fragrant lavender, there's a perennial for every garden. 6. Propagate your plants. Propagation is like magic. Multiply your favorite plants by taking cuttings, or divide larger plants into smaller ones. This budget-friendly technique fills your garden with more of what you love, without spending a dime on new plants. 7. DIY pest control. Swap expensive, harsh chemicals for homemade pest solutions. From a soap and water mix to a hot pepper spray, DIY pest control is easy, cost-effective, and gentler on the environment. 8. Grow from scraps. Why throw away kitchen scraps when they can regrow into new plants? Regrow veggies like lettuce, celery, and herbs right on your kitchen counter. It's fun, educational, and helps you squeeze every last bit out of your grocery budget. 9. Plan your garden. A well-planned garden reduces waste and makes the most of available resources. Prioritize plants that grow well in your climate and group plants with similar water and sunlight needs together. This efficient approach can save money on seeds, plants, and resources in the long run. 10. Bargain shopping. Scope out end-of-season sales and clearance sections at your local nursery. You can often find incredible deals on plants, seeds, and gardening supplies. Plus, many clearance plants simply need a little TLC to thrive. So there you have it. 10 surprising tips to keep your garden thriving and your wallet happy. Remember, gardening isn't about how much you spend, but how smartly you utilize resources. Now we're eager to hear your thoughts. Do you have any budget-friendly gardening tips that weren't on our list? Share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.